What's up everyone, Dante here with an unboxing of this LG 32-inch 4K monitor. Now I got this monitor because what I'm doing is I'm pretty much trying to set up for this new wave of Apple Silicon Macs. So what I was going to do was invest in like a Mac Mini and kind of just like start off with that, hook it up to this monitor and see how fast and the benchmarks and how well it works under loads and things like that. So that's why I got this monitor. And plus, it supposedly has some gaming features in it, like AMD FreeSync, things like that. I've always been a big fan of big monitors, you know, big TVs, 32-inch monitors. I love, ever since they came out, when I love them. I don't like nothing smaller than that. But let's go and get into this unboxing and get this started. You know, LG has some of the, in my opinion, has some of the best panels out there. And them and Samsung, a lot of people use the monitors for their displays. I do believe Apple used Samsung for a certain amount of years to make their monitors. So, you know, sometimes you gotta go with the best in the business. And we got a little stuck here. Alright. Is this even the right side? Oh, it don't matter now. Start from here. Sorry if you hear the air conditioner in the background. Can't help it, it's hot out there, so. Alright. Okay, got a little weight to it. Let's see. You know, little thin bezels around. Well, as far as modern day, thin bezels, they could be a little thinner, but you know, it'll work. 32-inch right here. Where can I place it? Alright, let's see what's under it. Okay. So, I'm going to set this aside over here. Over here. What's this? Okay, so at the moment we have some paperwork. I don't even put the disc in a little sleeve or nothing like that. Well, probably the look at this, it's already scratched. Oh man. So we got the little clamp that holds the cables. Static. A display port. HDMI port and the power brick. I love the fact that they actually I love the fact that they actually give you those things. Sometimes when you buy monitors, you gotta pay for them yourself and find ones that you got laying around. And then you gotta remember that some need faster HDMI. So it's a bit of a pretty much. Let's get this off. Alright. Here's the stand, it slides up and down. Probably need the monitor on it, it's fine. I'm gonna put the clamp on for the wires. There we go. And one thing I do love about LG stands, but I hate at the same time, they're easy to put on. I just don't like the round shape. I guess I would like a more of a flat shape instead of a round one, but you know, it is what it is. Alright, last screw. Alright. Now let me go and get that monitor. Alright. Lay this flat down on this little styrofoam. Get sand. And I think it's as easy as that. Okay, it kind of swivels. Okay, I only got two inputs here. A display port and HDMI port. No USB. Got a is that a headphone jack? Huh. All right. So there you go. And that's pretty much it for this unboxing of this LG 32-inch monitor. There's no speakers, so none of that. So you won't have any of those on there. But like I said, I guess by the end of the year they're supposed to come out with the new Apple Silicon Macs, and I'm thinking about getting that Mac Mini. That'd probably be the cheapest one out there. And just see, you know, benchmark it, test to see how it goes and everything, and let's see if this new transition that Apple's doing is all the hype that it's talking about. Well, thank you guys for watching. Please hit that like, subscribe button, share this video as well, and also check out the podcast, the Finest Tech Podcast on all platforms. Go and support that. And that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.